First and historically, the famous opera of Carmen is adapted into the Hong Kong style. This time, the fairy story of love and obsession isn't set in the 19th century of Spain. It is reimagined in the 1970s Hong Kong. I'm right here at the rehearsal. And up next, I will be speaking with the creative team behind the bold and innovative staging. So stay with us.
我们当时做这个卡门这个选题的时候，我第一个想到的是，他怎么能够跟我们的观众、跟香港的市民建立起联系。从现在目前的我们的这个票房，现在提前这么多天已经告罄的这个情况来看，香港人是认知我们这个选题的。1978年也是这个香港特别蓬勃的这么一个年份，跟国际的、跟内地的整个的交流。它等于是构成了香港那时候最繁华的一种状态，同时，我觉得在繁华的背后也是心境的，就每个人心境的最繁华的那么一个年代。所以说呢，我们定义在香港的1978，我们通过这个剧目，我们希望能够就是说，它是150年前写的这么一个作品，但是它在跟香港此时此刻的市民，它能产生某种情感关联。这种情感关联是一种记忆关联，也就是说，现在的年轻人可能没有经过1978年代的那么个时候，让大家能够感受到1978年他们的原乡，也就是香港，曾经是这个样子，他们的父母曾经在这种状态下生活。那么在场景的还原上，我们选了4个大的场景，一个是铜锣湾，一个是兰桂坊然后呢，一个是我们香港的当时最繁华的一个码头，另外是跑马场。所以它在整个作品的构成上，我们没有任何大变化，我们只是加了一些我们港味的元素。你比如中间的香港话的道白有一些我们香港人特别传统的，你比如说我们这个店铺里头我们要敬五财神等等等等的这些，人家在观剧当中的大家的那种对于戏剧的一种敬重大家的那种服饰着装，大家包括场里的整个的气氛，都是让我极端羡慕的在这一点上来说，我说，我觉得在香港演歌剧是真的是一件幸福的事情，在香港导歌剧也是一件非常幸福的事情。
This time setting in Hong Kong in 1978, that period of time. We have still 1 week before opening, we sold out. We only have 2 seats, 3 seats left for each night, which is fantastic. That means opera is attractive to general audience.
We're not speaking about small changes, we're speaking of adding 800 bars, taking out 300 bars, changing a bit the orchestration, and then it was a big success. We are doing a special one, the best way to touch the people. They will feel like if they were in the show.
There will be one instrument, when they hear it, they will love it. I'm not going to say what it is. I have to tell you to come to see the show, then you will know. In a very famous moment, then you hear very special instrument. Okay, for those who have not seen any operas, Carmen is the best opera to be the first opera you ever seen, because the tune, like Habanera, dan 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 dan, or the Toredo song, dan 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 dan, everybody knows it. Everybody has heard it. Whether you like opera or not, you've heard it in the supermarket, you've heard it in a children's book, you hear it anywhere. So then you come to see the real Carmen on stage, you would say, oh wow, I heard that tune before. So bring back the memories, and you say, wow, that's what opera is about.
We need to bring all these people together, and then we are giving life back to this opera, to this score.
Opera brings people together. Opera is an international art form. Doesn't belong to any single country. The international artists, they get to know Hong Kong through that way. and also branding Hong Kong, SAR, as an international culture hub. So through opera performing art form, we can advertising Hong Kong as a culture hub for international artists. We have been doing operas for the last 23 years because there are 9 big groups in Hong Kong, subsidized by the government. Hopefully we'll be the number 10th arts group to be subsidized by the Hong Kong government. Then we can produce more operas. We can plan as a season. We can do 5 operas, in a season, and invite Frank to be back again and do more French operas, Italian operas, German operas, and Chinese operas. Okay, and next year is SAR's 30th anniversary. We, Opera Hong Kong, we will produce a regional Chinese opera, okay, written in Chinese, sung in Mandarin, but it's Western style bel canto singing opera. We call original composed opera. We will do it next year. 非常棒，
合作愉快。
Have a good collaboration. Yes, yes.
Opera is the art that you need to feel in person. Come for the passionate love, come for the Cantonese dialogue, and come for a new version like never before. May 7th to 10th, Hong Kong Cultural Center. Don't miss it. I'm Lin. See you at the theater.